Mahmoud looks around. Is this the same village to which we came a few months ago? क्या यही वही गांव है जिसमें हम 1 महीने पहले भी आ चुके हैं? महमूद अपने वज़ीर को बोलता है। तो वज़ीर बोलता है, जी हाँ हुजूर। फिर महमूद बोलते हैं, लेकिन आश्चर्य की बात यह है कि यहाँ कोई दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है। पूरा गांव खाली पड़ा है। Looks up. People are scared. They have fear that they will be looted and killed. Both are quiet. Suddenly, the silence is broken by the hooting of owls. Mahmud, what could these owls be saying? Wazir, you know the language of birds. Tell me what the owls are saying. Wazir says, looks up at Mahmud. Your Majesty, I would rather not tell you. Mahmud, angrily, गुस्सा से, I order you to tell me what the owls are saying. Wazir shakes his head and says nothing. Students, here some words are there like scared. Scared means डरना. Looted. Looted means जो लोग दूसरों की चीज़ को लूट लेते हैं। हूटिंग ऑफ आउल्स मीन्स उल्लुओं का चिल्लाना। उल्लुओं की आवाज़ को बोलते हैं हूटिंग ऑफ आउल्स। एंड ऑल्सो एंग्रीली, यू नो दैट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एंग्रीली? गुस्से से। एंड शेक्स, शेक्स मतलब हिलाना। नाउ आई एक्सप्लेन यू दिस पैसेज and also the below passage. Mahmud says, I shall punish you if you do not tell me. Wazir says, if you insist, I will tell you, Your Majesty, but first you must promise me that you will not have me killed. Mahmud looks surprised. Mahmud, so be it. I promise not to harm you, but please tell me quickly. Wazir, very slowly and softly with his head bowed down. The first owl wants to marry his daughter to the second owl's sons. The son's father wants a dowry of 5 ruined villages from the girl's father. The first owl was happily agreed. He says that he is thankful to Mahmud of Ghazni, who has ruined hundreds of villages. Instead of 5, the owl says he is ready to give 500 ruined villages as a dowry for his daughter. Mahmud sits motionless. He thinks deeply and realizes the consequences of his invasions. Tears run down his cheeks. Mahmud speaks quietly. I never realized how cruel and heartless I have been. I killed and looted people and brought destruction everywhere. But today I take a vow. I will never be heartless and cruel now. From today onwards, I will neither burn villages nor kill people.